Hey guys, so I am going to show you a really cool trick in Canva that I use on my clients' websites all the time. So let me show you. So I bet you wonder um, how people cut themselves out of their photo so they could put themselves on different color backgrounds. And this used to be a really, really, really tricky thing to do. And you would need Photoshop and you would have to know all the tricks and tools of how to use Photoshop to do this. And those days are over. And now Canva has a really simple tool that I use all the time. So I'm going to teach you how to cut yourself out of a photo so you could go ahead and put yourself on different color backgrounds and then create a really beautiful banner or social media ad for your business. So here's a few examples I've done on my own website. Here's an example on one of my clients' websites. And then here's a really cool example on another client's website where I cut them out of the photo and then I superimposed behind them a really cool mandala. So I'm going to teach you how to do that as well. So let's go ahead and go into Canva. So let's start off with creating a new design. And I'm going to just design it in an Instagram story size because we get a nice long vertical image in there. Uh, so if you don't know Canva, Canva is a really simple design tool that you can literally do everything for your business in design wise, and it's super easy. And definitely sign up for it. It's a free account, but to do the feature that I'm going to teach you today, you need to upgrade your account to a pro account, which is $9.99 a month. But if you have a thriving business or you're starting your own business, I highly recommend that you get Canva and upgrade to the Pro because you get so many more features that you're going to be able to use every single month in growing your own online business for social, for your newsletters, for your website, for Facebook Lives, for cover art, for your YouTube videos, all of it. This is like the one-stop shop. So okay, so first we're going to go ahead and create a template of what size you want it to be. So you could do an Instagram story, you could do a horizontal for an online banner ad. And there's so many templates. Like you literally could just type in here, banner ad and hit that and you get all of these templates here. So, but we're not doing that today. I get a little excited in here. What we're going to be doing is going to uploads. So this is where you upload all your images. And I already pre-uploaded a few images of myself. So what I want to show you is that when you're doing this, what you want to do is you want to choose a photo where your whole body is in the photo. Your legs could be cut off, but both arms need to be in the photo. You can't choose a photo when half your arm is outside of the photo because then you're not going to be floating. Half of you will be floating and the other half will just be a straight line. You'll be cut off. So go ahead and let's choose this image of me here. And you can see my whole body is here. So you don't even need to expand it just yet, but you bring your image in here and you go to effects. And then right up here, it says background remover. So you highlight the photo that you want the background to be removed, and then you just hit that. And then you sit and you wait. And it literally takes probably 25 seconds to do. Voila, look, the whole background is gone. Isn't that amazing? And there I am. So now what we could do is like here on my website, I had this beige background. So I went ahead and took this beige color and made this my background here. So what you want to do that is you want to highlight the background and you go here and then you can change whatever color you want the background to be. So what you would do is, okay, of course here my legs are cut off. So of course you don't want me floating around with legs cut off. So you just want to bring it down to the bottom there. And then you want to expand it. So it's the size, whatever size you want. Go up here. All right, so now we want to bring in one of these cool mandalas to go behind me. So I uploaded a mandala that I bought on Creative Markets. So if you don't know Creative Markets, it is the best. You can find everything creative here. Everything from mandalas to photos to graphics to templates to web themes to fonts. And so what I did was I typed in mandala. And then all these beautiful mandalas came up. So I bought one of the mandala, like let's look at this one. So I think this one's a bunch of gold mandalas. So you could see right here what the mandalas are, and you can see them in their different colors. So this is what I bought. And then I uploaded the PNG file to Canva. That's important because a PNG file has a transparent background, and that's what you want. You don't want it with the white background because then it won't be transparent. So you want P and N as in Nancy, G files. So you upload it into Canva, and then you just take it and you did not want to do that. You want to just click it so it goes on here. So it's good you see that. When you drag something like that, it will bring it into the frame, but we didn't want that. We wanted it just on top of the frame. So now we have our mandala, and we're going to make it kind of big here, and you see that it's over my face right now. So now we want to bring it behind me. So you highlight the mandala, and then you go to position, and you send it backwards. Voila! How cool is that? So you got to maneuver it and get it to where you want it to be, so it kind of looks like a halo. And then you go ahead and move your image up, you center it, and there you go. And then if you want to go ahead and change the color of the background, sometimes both images are covering the full space of the background, so sometimes you got to kind of move things to get back to that. So say we wanted it to be white, then you would just go ahead and find that again, move it up, and then there you go. So now you can see it in full action. So now what you do is you go ahead and you just hit download, and if you want the white background to be there, so say your website or a banner or wherever you're moving this to has a white background, you could just keep the white background. But if you need this all to be transparent because you're then going to bring it into another different color background in some, either your web server or your newsletter, you just hit transparent background and then you download it. And it's this simple. And then you go to, please disregard, excuse my desktop. I just got done designing a web page and it's really messy. But there you go. How cool is that? So Canva, definitely sign up for the pro account, and I'm going to be sharing a lot more tutorials throughout the month. All right, have a great day.